hello, we're back after like a 6 months hiatus period.
Vacation.
ነበር ለስድስት ወር ግን አሁን ተመልሰናል። Yeah, I guess. Yes.
Nice to be back.
Nice to be back. Yeah. I think the last episode was ከፉአድ ጋር እንትን ያልነው
ከፉአድ ጋር ያደረግነው
ኤፕሪል ውስጥ ነው። I think
probably ኤፕሪል አይደል?
Yeah, maybe.
ቅድም ቼክ ስታደርግ ከጁን ጀምሮ የነበሩትን ነገሮች ነው ቼክ ስታደርግ
እያደረኩ የነበረው ሰው ለዛ
ኤፕሪል ሜይ
it's been way too long.
way too long.
ግን I guess ሁለቱም I guess እስካሁን ስንት ኤፒሶዶች ነው ያሉት? ሁለት ኢንተርቪው ኤፒሶድ አለ።
ሁለት ኢንተርሉድ ኤፒሶድ ወይስ ቻናሉ ላይ ያለው ኦልሬዲ ሶስት ኢንተርቪው ኤፒሶዶች እና የስንት ሁለት ኢንተርሉድ መሰለኝ
ሁለት ኢንተርቪው አንድ ላይቭ ስትሪም ሶ ያ I guess ካሁን በኋላ I guess ፕላናችን ከዚህ በፊት I think ባለፈው ሊሚት ያደረገን በሳምንት አንዴ ማድረጋችን ነው። I think it got us I don't know
በሳምንት አንዴ አድርገን ነበር።
በሳምንት አንዴ ያደረገን
ኮሚት አድርገን ነበር። በሳምንት አንዴ ለመልቀቅ
ሁለት ኢንተርቪው ምናምን በተከታታይ ወጥቷል።
አሁን ግን በሁለት ሳምንት ይሆናል።
ሁለት ኢንተርቪው ወጣና ከዛ የፉአድ ኢንተርቪው ወጣ መሰለኝ ሳምንት like that no የፉአድ ሁለት ሳምንት ቆየ መሰለኝ። የፉአድ ትሬለር ወጣና ከዛ ነው ብቻ ሰው ካሁን በኋላ I guess we should do it በየሁለት ሳምንት at least ለአሁን እንደዛ ነው ፕላን።
ግን ለምን እንደጠፋን መናገር አለበት። ስለዚህ አንተ ትጀምራለህ።
እኔ I guess a lot of stuff happened. So I guess መጀመሪያ ያቆምኩበት ምክንያት ራሱ ያቆምንበት ምክንያት መጀመሪያ ምክንያት አልነበረውም።
we're just busy.
ከዛ በኋላ ግን ቀስ በቀስ we just kept getting more and more busy. I don't know. Biggest changes I guess moved out was one big thing.
Congratulations.
I probably started like 2 or 3 jobs
in between. በጣም ኤክሳይቲንግ ጀርኒ ነበር ያንተ actually.
Yeah. So joined Beta Rose from July to maybe I think September. እስከ ሴፕቴምበር
ሁለት ወር ነው እንደሰራው።
I think it's ሁለት ወር።
በጣም ጥሩ።
I think July maybe July ውስጥ 3 ሳምንት አለው ፕራክቲካሊ በሳምንት ካለ ነው። ኦገስት like full on 4 ሳምንት ቅዳሜ እስከ እሑድ ከሰኞ እስከ እሑድ አይነት ስራ ነበር ኦገስት ላይ እና ሴፕቴምበር 2 ሳምንት መሰለኝ ሰራሁት። እና I guess we are busy with that. I was busy with that I guess for you.
For me just same old work በቃ የስራ ፕሬሸር ነበር። ሁለት ሌላ ድርጅት ውስጥ አውራ ቴክኖሎጂስ የሚባል ድርጅት ውስጥ ሁለት ፕሮጀክቶች ማኔጅ እያደረኩኝ ነበር። የእሱ ስትሬስ ነበረ። the main job ነበረ፣ እሱም ስትሬስ ነበረው። and also ከዛ ስመጣ ደግሞ ቤተሰብ ምናምን too busy ኤዲት ማድረግ አልቻልኩም ቪዲዮዎች ምናምን it was a whole thing። ከዛ በፊት actually ሃካቶንን ማዘጋጅተን ነበር ሁለታችንም። there was that whole thing እና ሃካቶንን ማዘጋጀት
ስትረስፉል ነበር ኦፍ ኮርስ ለማዘጋጀት። ግን ከተዘጋጁ በህይወቴ ከሄድኩባቸው ምንም አይችልም ካየኋቸው ሃካቶኖች ውስጥ probably the best one ነበር። የፋይዳ ሃካቶን ነበር።
ፋይዳ ባንክሮልድ the whole thing በጣም ስፖንሰር አድርገውን we took 20 ምናምን ዴቨሎፐሮች it was a whole thing በጣም ጥሩ አክተር ነበር። ግን ማዘጋጀትም it was ስትሬን ነበር።
መምረጥ ምናምን ፕሮጀክቶቹን ፊልተር ማድረግ ብዙ ሰው ነው probably እንቲ ሰው ነው አፕላይ ያደረገው።
በጣም 1000 ምናምን ሰው አፕላይ ያደረገ። ከዛ ፊልተሪንግ ሜካኒዝሞች ማለት አድርገን ለምሳሌ ሰብሚት ማድረግ ፕሮጀክት አይዲያስ ምናምን እሱ በሱ ፊልተር እያደረግን ከዛ 300 ሰው ላይ ደረስን። ከዛ በኋላ we had to make hard choices ብዙ ሰው አስቀይመናል። እንግዲህ ማለት ይቻላል sorry
እና ደግሞ I think at that time another thing I did was so ፋይዳ like we are talking about I think ከፏድ ጋር ስናወራ ወይ ከሄሮይ ጋር ስናወራ you are saying like a day OAuth server እኮ አለው ምናምን ነገር ፋይዳ I think e-signet ነው ይባላል
e-signet IDC እንትና
so yeah we had like we were given like test access to the ፋይዳ system የሆነ የstaging environment so we I think so beta root ውስጥ generic OAuth የሚባለው already exist የሚያደርግ plugin ነበር and like I just configured the like basically two functions in that plugin and then the FIDA login started working with
ስለዚህ ቤተሮት ፋይዳ
so it's like combo
አረጋ ከዛ በኋላ ግን you made plugin ማረጋ
yep I made a package for it and stuff yeah you can just use that if you're going to use betarot with FIDA but I haven't tested it on the actual production one but I guess
test ላይ ይሰራል ስለዚህ
test ላይ ይሰራል so I guess it'll be the same
እኔም አድቮኬት እያደረኩልህ ነው ሰዎች እንዲጠቀሙት ማለት ነው ፋይዳ ብዙ ሰው ሲጠይቀኝ you can just use
the Betarot
plugin
yeah that was great OAuth ስለነበር like standard compliant OAuth ነበር so I just had to modify like how the user info gets fetched በቃ ከዛ started working
እሱ ስታንዳርድ ነበር
no አብዛኛውን ጊዜ ስታንዳርድ ኮምፕላይንት አይደሉም OAuth 2.3 ይላሉ OAuth ነው አሳኝ just show me that so I ለምሳሌ አሁን there are like a bunch of like specific code for LinkedIn like ለምሳሌ አሁን if you go to Betarot documentation ጋር እንዳለ የሶሻል ፕሮቫይደርስ የሚል ሴክሽን አለ እዛ ውስጥ ያሉ በሙሉ almost የራሳቸው የሁሉም ካስተም የሆነ ሎጂክ አለ some way they go out of the standard of OAuth like it's like more like a suggestion ሁሉም standard is more like a suggestion but people like add their own fields reinterpret how some fields are supposed to work and stuff like that so
yeah አሪፍ ግን it's a good little package
yep it is 25
እንትን ይሆናል አሁን it will take off
what were like the good projects like I think ከዛ በኋላ ራሱ ሌላ ቦታ ያሸነፉ ፋይዳ ከቶን አሸነፈው ሌላ ቦታ የሚያሸንፉ ነበር
yes እንዴ ቆይ መጀመሪያ አንተ ልጠይቅ አንተ what was your favorite
I don't remember it to be honest then what did I say anything one of them did I tell you I think you asked me in ጠይቀኝ ነበር የዛኔ I don't remember ያሸነፈውን ፕሮጀክት ጥሩ ነበር ይሰራው ጥሩ ነበር
ግን my personal favorite advouch የሚባል ነበር advouch it's like ad aggregator ነገር ግን ደግሞ ሞዲፋይ ያደርጉት ነው ራሳቸው ያወሩታል የሆነ ቀን እንደውም እንጋብዛቸውና ራሳቸው ፒች ያደርጉታል ግን ፐርሰናል ፌቨሪት እሱ ነበር ከሱ ቀጥሎ ኤኮፋርም ነው ያ ሌላ ቦታ የሚያሸንፈው ያልከው ማለት ኤኮፋርም is በፊትም ሰርተውበት like ሲሰሩበት የነበረው ፕሮጀክት ስለነበረ it was an easy win ለነሱ ስለዚህ we didn't
I think ሁለተኛ ነው
እነሱ they're like in the top 5 መሰለኝ
okay yeah something like that
ግን በጣም ጥሩ ፕሮጀክት ነው ኤኮፋርም basically it's like an IoT type of thing ለአግሪካልቸር like ሴንሰሮች በየማሳ ላይ ምናምን ይተከላሉ ከዛ ሴንሰር በሚመጣው ዴታ ከዛ በኋላ የሰጀስሽን ክሮፕ ሰጀስሽን አለው ምናምን ያው ቴምፕሬቸር ሂዩሚዲቲ ሶይል ኬሚስትሪ ምናምን ነገር ወስዶ ከዛ suggest ያደርጋል the optimal crop when to it's a very nice project
ያሸነፈው ልጅ ደግሞ የሰራው like ዶክመንቶችን
authorize ማድረግ basically authentication የሱ actually pitch ሲያደርግ የተናገረው ምንድነው
documentation had a good story
it had a good story story matters so ሲስተሩ ዶክመንቶች አፕሎድ አድርግልኝ ብለው
ጉግል ድራይቭ ላይ
ጉግል ድራይቭ ላይ ነው ያደረገውና there should be a better solution for this ብሎ ነው ይሄን የሰራው
and then like the extra jump of he took while just scan አድርጎ ምናምን ማስቀመጥ ብቻ ሳይሆን what if we send these documents back to the original institute እና ከነሱ ቬሪፋይ ያደርጉታል የሚለውን ሲጨምርበት that was like
that was a
great idea
it's a good idea legit ነው እና ግን ብዙ ፕሮጀክቶች ነበሩ like አዲስ ሃይዌይ was one of them እሱ ደግሞ ኢንተር ኦርጋናይዜሽናል ኮሚኒኬሽን like ለምን ስታንዳርዳይዝ አናደርገውም በሚል ነው የተነሱት የሆነ የኢስቶኒያ ፕሮጀክት አለ አስታውስኳ ambitious ናቸው እሱ ነበር ግን ሁሉም ፕሮጀክቶች ከሙላ ጎደል they were
ግን a lot of lovable
lovable በጣም heavy lovable used
maybe too much
እና question ያስደርገናል
እኔ ለምሳሌ አሁን ካሸነፉት ፕሮጀክቶች ራሱ እንትን ሊሚት እያደረገኝ the full potential of their ideas
lovable
እንዳለ ያንን like pink to
gradient it was crazy እኔ ከዛ በፊት I had no clue what lovable was to be honest ከዛ እዛ ሃካቶን ላይ ነው ያየሁት ምንድነው ይሄው ላይ የሚያምር UI ኬት መጣው ህዝቡ ተሻሽሏል ከዛ ፍራውን ነው lovable ነው ምናምን ሲለኝ
and I think so another hackathon that happened was beta hack just hackathon ግን እዛ ላይ I think የjudging part ላይ ስላልነበርኩኝ maybe I don't there is not more ብዙ ማለት የምችለው ነገር አይደለም
ፒቾቹ ላይ ነበርክ መሰለኝ
no I wasn't even there for the pitches የመጀመሪያ Saturday እና Sunday ነበር Saturday like opening event ምናምን እንትን presentation like አቀረብኩኝ ምናምን ነገር እና I didn't who ነበር pitch የሚደረገው ፕሮዳክታችን የዛን ያህል ነበርኩ so ግን ሲያወሩ ግን ለምሳሌ I think ሁለተኛ ነው የወጡት መሰለኝ ሁለተኛ ነው የወጡት እና ቴክነር እና ናቲዩ so የነሱ አይዲያ በጣም ጥሩ ነበር so the idea is like basically a beta root GUI so እንደውም እነሱ like እኔ like የሆነ አይዲያ ነገሩኝ ከዛ was just elaborating up like one of those ideas ነው ትንሽ ነገር ይሰጡና እንዴ
ይሄንን
ማርሻላሽ እንዲ ካራጉ እንዲ ከዚህ ኮምፒውተር ለማርኬት ፕሌስ ምናምን ያልኩ በራሴ ባይምሎ ያሳድገው የወደድኩት አይዲያ አይነት ነገር ነው ግን ብቻ አይዲያቸው ምንድነው so you have like እነዚህ እነ N18 ነው ምናምን ባል የአውቶሜሽን it's like you can drag and drop ምናምን tools so beta root ላይ there are like different options you can set አንዳንድ ፊቸሮችም ኦፕሽን ሴት በማድረግ ነው አቺ የምታረጋ አንዳንዶቹን ደግሞ ፕለጊን ኢንክሉድ በማድረግ ነው so እነዚህም በሙሉ እነሱ የቤታ ሮት GUI ላይ like in the I don't know use like user friendly በሆነ way ለምሳሌ just signing to Google ነው አድ ማድረግ የሚፈልገው ካልክ you can just drag the signing to Google blog drop it into your project and then it will like connect to the I don't know like it will show you some kind of connected graphs ምናምን ታያለ ከዛ የሳይኒንግ ኮልባክ ወስጄ on success ምናምን ይሄንን function run አድርግልኝ ከዛ like you can like make up a whole graph and then click on like a generate code button and then the generate code button will give you your outconfig outcase files የምታስቀምጠው ማለት ነው ከዛ በኋላ that was like a good idea though I was debating with in defense of the people who are saying it I was debating one of the organizers I think if I remember correctly and donut ምናምን ነበር ብቻ it was that's the most impressive idea
ያሸነፉት እነሱ
ሁለተኛ ነው ያሸነፉ ከዛ what I was building up on this was ለምሳሌ እነዚህን ኮንፊጎች ከሰራ በኋላ and then if you allow users like to embed their own blogs for like ለምሳሌ እንትን የሁክ ሲስተም አለው ቤታሮት ማለት so you can embed like a different hooks like user table database insert ከመደረጉ በፊት ይሄንን ኮድ ራን አድርጉ ሁሌም ምናምን ማለት ይችላል ከዛ እነዚህ ሁኮች like እነሱ ፕላትፎርም ላይ ፐብሊሽ ከተደረገ ምን ማለት ማርኬት ፕሌስ ማለት ይችላል so you can have a marketplace of where people share like different blogs for Betarot or different Betarot configs or stuff like that and another thing this could replace was on the Betarot homepage there is a create signing box እና የምትልበት ነበር and that's technically አሁን ጥሩ ነው የሚሰራው you can enable a bunch of toggles like Google ፈልጋል እና ምናምን ከዛ OTS ፋይል ይሰጣል ማለት ነው and I think it also gives you a UI signing UI I'm not sure but here it's like a much more powerful version of that one like again I don't think they kept going with it I was asking him እንደውም ከርሳር hackathon ላይ ቴክነር if you should keep going with it but ግን
ለምን ድሮፕ አደረጉት ያረጉት ይመስላል
he didn't consider it to be he didn't think it would be a product or something like that so he said he would just pursue it as an open source project so I think maybe he would do that
it's a good open source project already open source አድርጎታል ወይስ
I think it's already open source it's already ያሸነፉት ልጆች አይዲያቸውን መጀመሪያ እንደውም I was concerned ሳረጋቸው they were doing like something called no I know Zanzibar ምናምን የሚባል ሰምተው ታውቃለህ የጉግል ፔፐር so it's basically like a የጉግል የሆነ some complicated role based access control like system አይነት ዲስክራይብ የሚያደርግ ፔፐር ነው። ከዛ ሶ ቤዚክሊ ኮንሰልት ሳደርጋቸው እየጠየቁኝ የነበሩ ጥያቄ ምንድን ነበር? they have a set of like allow rules ለምሳሌ አሁን somebody who has this role is allowed to do this, somebody who's and then nothing, and you can think of them as edges on a graph, and then you can like derive transitive permissions. ገብቶሃል? ለምሳሌ አሁን
እነሱን
ለምሳሌ you have like I don't know, it's like an administrator kind of role that's allowed to control another role called an editor. Yeah, editor has a permission called edit file or something like that. ከዛ በኋላ by transitive like you can create a has permission function. ከዛ ምንም ሮል ሰጥተው ከዛ it will descend the graph እስከ ፐርሚሽኖቹ ጋር ወርዶ ከዛ like it will, I think that's what it is. I'm not really sure. ግን so given role ይሄ permission አለው የሚለውን ጥያቄ
ይመልስላል
እና ደግሞ for a complicated like role system. Now they implemented that, and now it's I think they're very good. It's also a unique idea. Like most of which also like I think some of the judges already knew about it. That's why they won.
A question I have,
it's impressive.
Better what permissionoችንም ሮሎችንም like organization መፍታት ይችላል?
አዎ it already has a role ምናምን system
እንትን ሳለው state machines ነው።
What do you mean by state machines? Like internally kind of like a state machine, no? Of course, like code
like organizational workflow implement. ግን እሱ I guess it goes beyond the better.
So you can like ለምሳሌ የሆነ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ከመግባታቸው በፊት እንደዚህ የስቴት ውስጥ ናቸው ዩዘሮች ኦርጋናይዜሽን ሲገቡ እንደዚህ ነው ኦርጋናይዜሽን ውስጥ ይሄን ያህል ሜምበር ሲሆን ኦርጋናይዜሽኑ እንደዚህ ስቴት ለምሳሌ የሆነ የፔድ ሎጂክ
ለምሳሌ so
in an organization has more than 3 members, it will be in the states like free tier አይደለም መከፈል አለበት እንደዛ አይነት ነገሮች
no እንደሱ አይነት ነገሮች ሳይሆን for example organization ውስጥ ይሄ ሮል አለ ይሄ ሮል approve የማድረግ መብት አለው
እሱ አለው እሱ depends on the plugins you're using. So I think by normally if you're just using plain beta roles without any plugins there are no roles. I'm not sure. I don't think there are any roles, but if you include the organization plugin, it has a role system inside of it. Roles, yeah, I think that's what it is. And now, yeah, admin plugin include Karako roles alut. But yeah, so you can set roles for different users. And now, so basically, just beta roles a role has a set of permissions. And now, like a role cannot inherit another role. In a system, it's like inheritance, but other system like yeah, so yeah, but I think the current system you have to maybe in your code like create in your code combine those two role objects. Basically that's how you would do it. So then you'll have a flat list of permissions instead of having whether a role refers items at yeah. Now I think another system through mihono probably in a microservice kind of system where the code is not necessarily the same. You don't actually have access to the list of permissions in that other system. You just want to say so የዛ ሲስተም ውስጥ ያለውን ሮል አንተን መስራት ይችላል መጠቀም ይችላል ሜቢ ያ ብቻ እነሱን ያሸነፉት and I guess I think ሶስተኛ ወጣው የናይሮቢ ፕሮጀክት ነው I think they did like some kind of an event scheduling system beta rocker. So yeah, that was beta rocker.
አሪፍ ነበር
yeah
so yeah better እንትን ያዘጋጀናል
yep yeah 1 year anniversary back on September I think.
What was the prize?
I think it was cash no sir if I'm not cash.
No strings attached no ways do they have to spend it on the project?
No strings. I think no strings attached no but I think no strings attached.
Yeah that's good.
ግን ፊልተሪንጉን በደንብ ነው በጣም የሚሰሩት they were a bunch of like good people like አይቼ like ጥሩ ፕሮግራም ያነበሩ like ሬር ነው አንዳንድ ያደረጉኝ ቲሞች ነበር ስፔሻሊ ኮንሰልት እናደርግ ምናምን I'm the only one to put them on blast and like maybe two teams ግን ፊልተሪንጉን ምናምን ነው የሰሩት almost all of them like seriously like it's like እንደ ፋይዳ ሃካቶን ላይ ምናምን ሪላክስ አልነበር የፋይዳ ሃካቶን ላይ ውስጥ ግን though it should be more aggressive
more ነበረበት
ያ ቤታ ራኩ ላይ ግን ምክንያት ቁጭ ብለው ነው ያደሩት ምናምን ነገር it was like
ሃካቶን እንደዛ ነው መሆን ያለበት ራይት የሆነ ፕሮዳክት በቃ ሎክድ ኢን ሆነክ እንድትሰራ
እንደዛ ነበር የነበረው ልጆቹ ቅዳሜ ሙሉ ሌሊት ነው ሲሰሩ so yeah it was good yeah
አሪፍ
I guess that's what has been what we've been up to
የሆነ የረሳነው ነገር ያለ ይመስለኛል so right your progression better out ከዛ
okay I guess
after that
I think the last time we were here I was still working at Vela I think
okay
I think so I was still working at Vela and for some time I worked at Aura Technologies we were working on like some kind of REST bagging system and stuff like that also built a Go CDN I think so
CDN
yeah so I think Zal maybe I don't know ሁለት ወር ምናምን ቆየሁት መሰለኝ ከዛ yeah so I've got the offer from Betarot of course I had to leave all other jobs Velaንም አውራንም like I fully committed into Betarot for like ያ ጊዜ አልኳችሁ ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ I got an offer from a company called EVP so they're like a charging station company ከሆንክ ምን አይነት የት ቦታ ልገንባ ቻርጅ ስቴሽኖችን የሚለውን መልስልክ ካምፓኒ ናቸው so they give you a bunch of data for like you can search for a zip code and stuff like that
እኔ ቅድም I misunderstood እነሱ ራሳቸው የሚገነቡ መስሎኝ ነበር okay they offer the services
the company had like 4 employees when I joined now it's 3
okay
now it's even lower than when I joined so yeah
good they have many clients
it's like there are many clients and the clients pay a whole lot of money and now they're like giant companies so and the charging station companies there are a bunch of them like Electrify America, Flow, Tesla. I don't think we have like Tesla like general companies ሳይሆን maybe a couple of stations customers ናቸው ግን yeah so but like እነዚህ Electrify ምናምን ከአሜሪካን ኮርፖሬሽኖች ናቸው so they have different stations ከዛ the stations ብቻቸውን ናቸው እኛ ጋር technically እንትን እያሉ ያሉት የኛ customer እየሆኑ ያሉት so it's like a B2B relation ስለሆነ you can only like there are only 2 options like one of those websites where like there is a set price ከዛ መጠቀም ከፈለግ ቤዚክ ከዛ ትክክለኛ አክቹዋሊ መጠቀም ከፈለግ ግን አናግረን እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ነው so yeah so it's like I think so one of the good things to say good things about Beharos is open source company መስራት is like it's really great like it's I don't know it's like it's one of the coolest things you can see like I don't know like you can actually like help people like issue ምናምን ያነበቁ እንደዚህ እንደዚህ ኢምፕሊመንት አደረገ የሆነ ካምፓኒ ምናምን you're risking this okay implement ይደረጋል so you're like saving a new company every single day by like fixing an issue so that was really cool ግን EVP ውስጥ ደግሞ ተጋባ ያየሁት አዲስ experience I have never worked on a company that was actually making revenue like basic experience አደረገው እንደዚህ ነው ምነው ከወረደ ወር የባንክ አካውንቱ ኢንክሪስ የሚያደርግበት ካምፓኒ ሲሰራ EVP የመጀመሪያው ነው so ሰዎች I think I'm going to say like there is an actual real vibe shift የምሬን ነው like I don't know like ከዚህ በፊት like የሰሩባቸው ካምፓኒዎች በሙሉ እንዳለ they were like pre-product የሆነ ፕሮዳክት እየገነባ ያሉ ሰዎች ስለሆኑ pre-market phase የነበሩ ሰዎች ስለሆኑ there was like more things you don't know if anything like the features you're building are actually going to be useful or like I don't know it's like there was like a constant tension like they want everything like the managers or the owners ሁሉም ነገር በፍጥነት እንዲሰራ ይፈልጋል ምናምን ነገርና almost like all of them I think ከዚህ በፊት የሰራሁባቸው እንዳለ pre-market ነገር ናቸው እና እዚህ ግን ይለያል so basically the only features we work on is like they can like support የምትል በተን አለች ምናምን ዌብሳይቱ ላይ people like submit feature request or they get on a call with the CEO እና እንደዚህ ማለት ፈልጌ እንደዚህ የለም we need a new dimension for the transformer object we need a new the power cabinet object like you literally like when you're adding a feature it's like directly affecting the company and like ability to make money so አንዳንድ ሰዎች ይመጡና 500 like basic plan ተጠቅሜ እንደዚህ ኤክስፔሪመንት እያደረኩኝ ነበር ግን እንደዚህ ስላልሆነ ሙሉ የካምፓኒ ሰብስክሪፕሽኑን መክፈል አልፈልግም so እሱን ኢምፕሊመንት አድርጉና get back to me so then we can sign the contract like ከዛ በኋላ ነው እንደዚህ ያሉ ነው so let's get that done ከዛ ነገ ኮንትራቱን ፈርሟል so it's like
nice
it's really I don't know it's a good experience I've been liking it so far
ስለ ሁለቱም ሪዋርዲንግ ነው ግን ሪዋርዱ ምንድነው ነው
ያ ሁለቱም ሪዋርዲንግ ነው ግን ያኛው ዲሌይ ነው you don't actually know like you do it's like what I'm saying is እዛ ጥሩ ፕሮዳክቶች ምናምን ትሰራለህ like you can think about like እንደዚህ ማድረግ ሊያስቡ ይችላሉ ዩዘሮች ሰውም ገና እንደዚህ ሲያደርጉ ድጋሚ ቢያደርጉት ለምሳሌ አሁን የሆነ ፎርም ሞላ ከሆነ I'm gonna auto clear አደርገዋለሁ ምናምን you can think of ዩዘሮችን ፐርስፔክቲቭ ግን actually ዩዘሮቹ እንደዚህ ፈልጋለሁ እያሉ አይደለም ስለዚህ you can overbuild or underbuild እዚህ ጋር ግን like ሲፈልጉት ስራ ይሆናል it's like more like a freelancing situation but like but different so
you on the other hand open source project like search I have no idea I thought still good እንትን አለ ከፊድባክ ተቀብለ ነው መሰለኝ open source ቢሆን like you get a lot of feedback every day
it's similar
not necessarily useful ግን
open source like similar okay I guess you were saying open source እና revenue no compare አድርገው ቀደም እኔ I guess revenue እና pre-revenue company እሱ ልዩነቱ ይሰማል open source እና revenue company መስራት ግን actually it's similar
you just you can just choose not to implement certain things open source ላይ ሲሆን መስራት
I guess again that's one of the things I had to learn in Belarus like the first maybe second week like I was like complaining your channel like ምን አይነት ሰዎች እያቸው ምናምን issue post የሚያደርጉት like ምክንያቱም ሁሌ issue create ያደረገ ሰው ፕሮፋይላቸውን ስነካ there is nothing on their GitHub all they do is create issues because I think people have like some people have burner accounts where they just create issues ግን trustworthy ናቸውን እያጠፉ ነው if I can see like you're an actual real person doing real work and ግን I guess I was being
የሆነች ሴትዮ
I've rolled back on that opinion አሁን ለማን I guess
የሆነች ሴትዮ ዩቲዩብ ላይ የህንድ እንትን ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ነውና እንትን ቱቶሪያል እያሳየች how to create issues እሱ ነገር አይተዋላ እና ሚሊዮኖች አይተውት እና ምንድን ነበር የምን ሪፖዚቶሪ ነበር የሳም ኦፕን ሶርስ ኤክስፕረስ የለሱ ሪፖዚቶሪ አሁን every day someone creates an issue just to ቱቶሪያሉን እያየው
አሁን የኤክስፕረስ ሜንቴነርስ that's their life that's the like closing እንደዛ አይነት issue
የሆነ ፒአር አለ እንደውም automatically close the closing issues from the tutorial
both ምናምን plan GitHub
እንደዛ ሆኖ እንዳይሆን
no እንደዛ አይነት issue አልነበረም of course ግን ምንድነው መሰለኝ issue ላይ ያለው asymmetric warfare ነው issue ሲከፈትብህ like እንደ actually የድሮን እና የመኪና ምናምን it's like a drone compared to like a tank like ትንሽ ነው የሚያወጣው ግን you can like kamikaze drone ታመጣና ታንኩን መፈንዳት ትችላለህ issue create ማድረግም basically it's like people sending drones on you የምር ምክንያቱም ለምን መሰለህ is for like you have goals for your open source project so by this time on version like እንደዚህ release ይደረግ ይሄን implement ማድረግ አለበት ቤተሮስ ላይም እንደዛ like ቤካ ሚል እንደዛ አይነት ጎሎች ነበሩ ግን ምንድነው የሚፈጠረው every single day the issues don't stop people just keep creating issues
you have to verify them
you don't know if the issues that are being created are actual real bugs in beta root or it's just there like some kind of misconfiguration on the user side and now most people don't include a reproducible የሆነ script አንተ run አድርጎ ይሄ ነው error የምትለው ነገር simple የሆነ product include ያደርጉ አብዛኛው ጊዜ እንደውም the first thing you do when you try to answer issues is give me the reproducible script and again I will look at it ብዙ ቢጽፍም ብዙ script ተጠቅምና እናወራለን ግን ከዛ ደግሞ አንዳንዱ ደግሞ urgent bug የሆነ አካብደው ሳይሆን እውነትም urgent ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄንኛው እኮ like unauthorized access አለው ሊያደርግ ይችላል ማለት you have to even if they don't that's why I'm saying like it's an asymmetric it takes you like 1 hour or 2 hours to reproduce that bug and fix it again for the issue creator it takes them like 5 minutes so and though if you're like competing with a open source project man
that's what
below issue create you create a bunch of burner accounts create a bunch of issues you like you're crippling that and this feature launch ማድረግ አይችልም
እንትን ይላችሁ like burner account እንኳን ቢሆን አካውንቱን መጀመሪያ አይተክ
እኔ እንደዛ እኮ ያረኩኝ ነው አስታክ doing that እንደዛ ሳይ እንደዛ አይነት ሰዎች ያለው like ዝም ብለው issue create የሚያደርጉ so you gotta stop thinking of them as like people who create issues. They're like big specific, I guess. Yeah. You gotta think of them as like customers. So like I like you gotta. አሁን እዚህ አሁን EVP-ንም like እንደዚህ ሲጠይቁ እንደምሰራው እንደዛ ከስተመሮቻችን ናቸው because the whole reason that the project is successful is because people chose to use it. So we should be happy that they chose to use it and not be angry that they እንደውም chose to use it እና found the bug እና they reported it to us እና ያ ስቴፕን የሚያልፍ ሰው በጣም brave ነው እና እነዚህ ሰዎች ደግሞ are like the potential just we're gonna talk about your product አሁን issue fix ካደረገለ you feel like you've contributed to the project, you feel like your like issue report አድርገህ fix ሲደረግ you feel like you're part of it. And now ያ ሰውዬ probably for the rest of their life when a new project gets started they better roll so it's like they're walking advertisement. So ቤነፊቱ ትልቅ ነው ግን እንዳልኩክ ሲበዛ ያስቸግራል. I think like we are creating like 3 or 4 PRs per day. It's like it's great.
So good. What about your own projects?
I've done a couple of them, I guess, over the last 6 months. No, my God, like one of them here. So I think, over the last 6 months, I think the one thing I made like that, I'm actually, I guess I think it's like the year of Postgres extensions for me. I've made like 3 or 4 of them this year. So I made a Postgres extension called PGWayne. So the whole thing, like I have this on a hot hot take. Hot take. So I'm done with this. I'm serious about it. Times minimum both are stored. I don't care if you're storing it in a database. I don't care if you're storing it in a JSON file. I don't care if you're storing it in a I don't care. But always use a number. A Unix millisecond number, or if your system is like more like I don't know, if you need to store nanoseconds, but if you need to store milliseconds, but like I want it to be a timestamp. I don't want to do like hey, I don't know, ISO bullshit, like JavaScript to string function, string date store and that thing. If you want to actually store, always store dates. Store the freaking Unix timestamp. I'm sorry, and beta rose like one of the biggest bugs that took me like a big time to actually debug and solve. ምንድነው timestamp እና timestamp TZ. So a lot of people don't know the difference. Timestamp you're just storing a string in your database. Timestamp just like you can like it's like they use the phrase wall clock. So you're like timestamp source you're storing like if you think of it year, month, day, hour, minute, second 6 numbers እነዚህ ነው ስቶሪ ያደረክ ያለው ከዛ በኋላ ኢንተርፕሬት ስታደርገው ይሄ like this is not a time, this is a wall. This is not enough information to describe a point in time. ተጨማሪ አንድ የምፈልገው ነገር አለ ታይም ዞን እነዚህ ነገሮች የት ከዛ ሁሉም ሰው like by default አስቲው ማድረግ ያለብህ ሁሉም ሰው የሚስማማው ምን ነው UTC ነው ግን most libraries don't use UTC. Most libraries just default to the user's default local time zone. So beta roles የራሱ database client የለውም. So it depends on different database adapters to actually get the data out of the database እና እነሱ ናቸው data object የሚሰጡን ለዛ እነሱ እንደፈለጉት ኢንተርፕሬት ማድረግ ይችላሉ እንዲ ነምበሮች ማለት ነው። ሶ ምንድነው የተፈጠረ የነበረው ድሪዝል እንደ UTC ኤክስፔክት አድርጎ ትክክለኛ የምንፈልገውን ነምበር ይሰጠናል። አንዳንድ ማን ነበረ ኪዝሊ ደግሞ just a query builder. So you Kizli እየተጠቀመ ነው ማለት you don't know what kind of data or depends on what adapter they're using in Kizli. So ከዛም you go into like Postgres libraries, different Postgres libraries. ከዛ አንዳንዶቹ Postgres libraries UTC ኢንተርፕሬት ያደርጋል አንዳንዶቹ local time zone. Okay, forget about it. Let's use timestamp TZ. Timestamp TZ, the idea is you give it a ተመሳሳይ year, month, day, hour, minute, second ያልናቸውን ግን you also need to give it the time zone. ከዛ በኋላ ከሰጠው በኋላ it stores it converts it into UTC and then stores the Unix timestamp. Even though that's good, and I don't still recommend using timestamp. ምክንያቱም ሲሰጥክ ነምበርክ ማለት ነው it still depends on how the client depends on interpreting it. And these libraries, even though you're giving them a timestamp TZ, they have a config object. They have a config when the config object you need to pass when you create the database connection. So I think I was seeing this in a MySQL database adapter. You can say date mode ምናምን ብለህ L ነው I think L ካልኩ local ይጠቀማል Z ካልኩ UTC ይጠቀማል ከዛ በኋላ even though a guy might be using I want to be specific I want to store Unix timestamp ስለዚህ timestamp TZ ልጠቀም timestamp TZ ብትለው የሆነ ሰው ይመጣና ኮንፊጉን እንትን L ያደርገዋል ሁሉም ወደ local so I want to destroy data objects in database you don't need data objects in databases time is a fucking big int, not a timestamp TZ. That's the slogan. Time is a big int, not a timestamp TZ. Never use and don't use Postgres. Don't do this in a Postgres page. They say timestamp TZ. Don't do that even. Just store the number. It's easier. It's like minimum like. It's not even that hard. You just need to. It's like one line now. New date select time number it will get interpreted correctly. So that's what I'm saying. So PGWayne
project.
PGWayne is built on top of this idea. So people say one of the objections people raise to using an integer or a big int to represent time is. Okay, so time ተጠቀምክን so if you like a store narrative ማድረግ ብቻ አይደለም እኮ database you need to do like some kind of insights like queries ለምሳሌ database ውስጥ like in the last hour ምን ያህል ዩዘሮች ናቸው ሳይን ኢን ያደረጉት የሚል query run ማድረግ አለበት ግን in the last hour የሚለውን አሁን እንዴት ነው ካልኩሌት የምታደርጋት time begin ከሆነ store የምታደርገው so you need to open up a javascript console or python console get the current date, subtract an hour and convert that to milliseconds. Then that's what you would need to add to your SQL query. SQL query select star from users where created ad is greater than tilna. That's our ታስቀምጣለህ ከዛ በኋላ so that's the raise እያደረጉ የነበሩ ሰዎች ይሄንን ነው I guess the problem ብለው from stopping you from using a big int because in your normal production database you can just do the last hour calculations pass that then when you're just doing analytical queries and stuff so PGWayne solve የሚያደርገው it has this seconds add function it has the milliseconds add function or nanoseconds add function and then you can say select star from users where created add is greater than seconds add it's a function seconds underscore add it's a function and then you pass it a string you can literally pass in the string saying last hour and then it will interpret last hour in terms of the UTC I guess the good thing about Unix is timestamp and date know your time zone issue solve የሚያደርገው ብላችሁ የምትጠይቁ ካላችሁ Unix millisecond is always interpreted to be UTC so it doesn't matter where you do it it's always interpreted it's always UTC so ያቺ second ሰዓት የምትለዋ second ሰዓት you pass in a string last hour it gets you the number so even in analytical queries you don't have to do anything you can have a function in your database that will just do that for you and then the cool thing I implemented in that project is in the simple last hour ብቻ ሳይሆን it has like a kind of a format system where you need to do I forgot so let me just open it up I think you need to pass first you need to pass the date segment let me open it up PGWayne so this is the structure so Wayne is also so Wayne is also another variation so you need to pass in a date and then separated by at time in time zone but all of these are optional like you can just pass in a date you can just pass in a time and then like this could be optional this could be optional and stuff but so all of these are like valid syntax so this is I think this is the biggest project I did while we were off.
How was reception?
The reception in the Postgres community stars ላይ አላበለም stars ላይ 31 ነበር stars ላይ 31 ነው ግን the good thing is I posted it in a bunch of Postgres columns and stuff I think somebody opened a PR or or so this has happened like a couple of times before. So ከዚህ በፊት ፒጂ ላይት ፊውዥን የሚባል ሰርቻለሁ አንድ ፖስትግሬስ ኤክስቴንሽን ኤንድ ፒጂ ቶፒክ የሚባል ሰርቻለሁ። ሶ ፒጂ ላይት ፊውዥንን አንድ ሬጅስትሪ ላይ ብቻ ነው እኔ አድ ያደረኩት። ከዛ በኋላ እንዳልኳችሁ ባለፈው የፖስትግሬስ ሬጅስትሪ አለም ዶንት ኢቭን ቶክ አባውት ሁሉም እርስ በርሱ እየተወዳደረ ነው። ከዛ for two other repositories somebody from their team added it by themselves. ይሄንን database ላይ compile አድርገው ምናምን ከዛ ኢሜል ላኩልኝ and they also did the same for PGWing. I guess that's good but like yeah it didn't get like a much of a bigger reception that compared to the others, but yeah I'm proud of it. I guess it's a real problem and now it's a real idea I believe in. Don't ever
you have to preach ማድረግ አለበት በየሄድክ ምናምን በየኮሚኒቲው በየፖስትግሬስ ኮሚኒቲ
like any I think that should be removed. You don't need a date column in your database. You don't need it. SQLite I don't think has it, so
SQLite doesn't
based
what was that PG Fusion number like
PGLite እሱ ነው the most popular one I guess.
That's very good.
Yeah. And I guess you also made a cool project.
I mean it's cool ትልቅ አይደለም.
It's actually so sorry project. And I was doing like I don't know Google Calendar
የተጠቀምከው ነው?
I don't think I have it now, but like I was getting the permission issue.
Okay. አይ ለሳይን አድርጌ ምናምን ነገር እስቲ ሰሚት አደርገዋለሁ ግን
I think you need to do that. ምክንያቱም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያለ እንዳለ ማክ ተጠቃሚ እኮ like they don't have another option unless you do that. Is there another app that does that?
No. I don't think so. እንግዲህ አፕ ስቶር
you need to explain it.
እንትን it's a የፍሪክቶንስ እንትን ላይ ቻናል ላይ ፍሪክቶንስ
እንትና ነው I think ዳግም ጂ አስታውቂኝ ነው ስሙ I think yeah
so for Linux ለሊነክስ
specifically for GNOME shell I think.
የኢትዮጵያን ካለንደር እንደ እሱ የቱልባር እሱ ራሱ ሌላ ጥያቄ ነው። what do you call it? እንደሱ አይነት አፕ
I think it's a toolbar widget.
toolbar widget ነው የሚባለው
maybe I just called it that, but
basically እንደሱ አይነት ካለንደር ሰርቶ ነበር.
So you can like click on it on your top toolbar. It displays the date by default and when you click on it it shows a full calendar.
ስለዚህ ቱልባር ላይ የሚታየው በኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር ዴቱን ነው የሚያሳየው essentially። ከዛ በኋላ when you click it ከታች ምንድነው የሚባለው ዳያሎግ ቦክስ ነገር ዳያሎግ ቦክስ ነው ቱል ኪት ነው በቃ ዳያሎግ ቦክስ ይመጣል። እዛ ላይ ከፉል ካለንደሩ አለ you can navigate forward and backwards.
The cool thing is you built it in
Tori. So I'm not great at UI, so Svelte part 2 it's heavily vibed you know. Rastum I used AI to a certain extent ግን it was a cool learning project. ትንሽ project ነበረች.
Like getting the documentation for like registering that like tool like
so it was very difficult. ለምን Apple in general has a very strict የሆነ API ያቸው it's not intuitive. ግን መጨረሻ ላይ የሆነ documentation I link it in the description I guess. አሪፍ documentation አላቸው essentially. It's just harder to get አገኘው ግን it was nice. You register it as a ምንድን ነበር የሚባለው I forgot. It's been almost 2 years. They have a name for it ብቻ you have to register your app ከዛ በኋላ to make it ምንድን ነው የሚባለው ይሄ you have to register it to be able to restart it when the PC restarts. Notification እንዲልክ you know there are several permission flags that you have to set ምናምን እሱ ፓርት ገባ ነበር and also ለአፕ ስቶር ሰብሚት ለማድረግም ከዚህ በፊት ሰብሚት ያደረኩት ፕሮጀክት ነበር the time
iOS app.
The iOS app እሱ ለማክም አለ ለአፕ ስቶር ማለት so I had made this እንደ ታይመር ነገር ነው where you እኔ አሁን ሪሞትሊ ሰራ ሜቢ ተናግሬው ሊሆን ይችላል I don't remember.
I think you did but like some people are not saying that.
If you haven't seen the episode ከዚህ በፊት የሰራሁት አፕ ኢንቮይስ ክሬት የሚያደርግልኝ አፕ ነው ፈልገው ለምን ለውጭ ካምፓኒዎች የምትሰሩ or remotely የምትሰሩ እንደምታውቁት you have to submit an invoice every week or every month ብቻ በተስማማችሁበት ሰዓት እና ኢንቮይስ እኔ ክሬት ማድረገው I used Clockify because ከዛ በፊት የምሰራበት ድርጅት ላይ Clockify ይጠቀሙ ነበር እና it's a paid service so you register how much time you're working basically የሆነ ክሎክ ነገር አለ ታይመር አለው ታስጀምሩና ትሰራላችሁ ከዛ ታስቆሙታላችሁ ከዛ እሱን ይደምረውና at the end of the month invoice ብላወራችሁን ኢንቮይስ ይሰራላችሁና you can ግን it's paid it's free until you generate the invoice invoice generate ስታረግ oh you have to pay ይላል
yeah that's crazy
that's why I built it ከዛ በኋላ እሱን ሰራው something similar ማለት ነው Clockify basically one to one replicate አላረኩትም because Clockify is a huge intent for my purposes I just needed to register my hours and generate invoice እና እሱን ነገር ሰራው እሱን submit ሳረግ it was relatively easier because ምንም አይነት permission አልፈልግም right ለአይፎንም ለማክም ማለት ነው I don't do like ምንድነው የሚባለው የአይፎን ሰርቪስስ የአፕል ሰርቪስስ አልጠቀምም አብዛኞቹ ግን አሁን for this I have to
restarting
saving
like
configurations
what is that like so that it opens when you restart it so it's like
it's part of like Linux ላይ or Windows ላይ የሆነ startup application እንደሱ አይነት ሬጅስተር ማለት እኔ እሱን
that requires a permission
እና so the user has to open it ከዛ የሆነች ዳያሎግ ቦክስ ትመጣለች ከዛ allow ትላለህ allow notifications እንደምትለው ምናምን ነገር you have to register the app እና እሱን ማድረግ አለበት ግን I guess for normal applications it's fine there's like a straightforward በስዊፍት ከሰራው ምናምን
okay
ይሄ ግን it's a theory app with Rust and Svelte እና tricky ነበር so that was the complicated part
by the way how about building it and distributing it getting the distributor like
DMG building it was easy cargo build ነው basically
okay
target ሰጥቷል I think right I don't remember
or you do cargo Tauri build or something
cargo Tauri build
okay and then Tauri builds the DMG object
object
I was thinking like because if you did cargo build you would just have a binary and I was thinking how would you convert that to but that's handled by
Tauri ምንድነው አሁን ዲስትሪቢዩት ለማድረግ you have to it has to be signed binary መሆን አለበት so እሱን ደግሞ ለማድረግ iCloud account ያስፈልጋል so iCloud account ደግሞ ለመክፈት like a developer account not an iCloud account sorry የአፕል developer account ያስፈልጋል
like
$100 per year እሱን ከፈትኩኝ okay it's fine ከፍዬ ያው ከዚህ በፊት ነበረኝ ግን ለመክፈት by the way ለኢትዮጵያውያን አይቻልም or something የሆነ ትሪኪ ነገር ነው እኔ ያስከፈትኩት በዘመዴ አፕል ዳያዩ ይሄንን ብሎክ ነው የሚያደርገው እና በዘመድ በሲስተር ኤሪያ ያስከፈትኩት እና እሷ ውጪ ስለሆነች በእሷ ስልክ ቁጥር በእሷ እና ዴቨሎፕድ ባይ የሚለውን ከስር ዴቨሎፐር የእሷ ስር so anyways አስከፈትኩኝ ከዛ you have to create a key pair ከዛ አፕል ላይ ነው it's a whole process
but is it harder to do this process with Tori now or like
I think no it's not that hard Tori there's a utility that does this for you configuration generate ይደረጋል ምናምን ነገር
nice
I forgot the exact process ረጅም ጊዜ ስለሆነ ግን if people want I guess we can talk about it next time
I was thinking like you should release that
sure I will ከዛ ያው for the same reasons ይሄንን ፖድካስትን ያቆምንበት ምክንያቶች ያንንም ፎሎ አፕ ማድረግ አቃተኝ በጣም ብዙ ስራ በዛ ግን I will I'll release it on it we should invite ያ ልጅ ስሙ ጠፋብኝ the Apple developer guy በጣም he loves Apple Johannes
okay
he should he knows way more about it than I do
I think I talked to him at Karsar I don't think he's still doing anymore I'm not sure no I think he was saying he needed to learn Python backend if I remember correctly
ለምን
for his job or
for his job
I guess front end ሰርቶ ግን that's a cool one. I guess everybody wants to get a Mac and start building with Swift. Yeah. ግን እኮ you were saying ቅድም it will be better for like less Swift እነዚህ APIዎች access ማድረግ ግን ኦሪጂናል APIዎች እኮ Swift አሉ I thought they were Objective-C.
No, original APIዎችማ Objective-C ናቸው ግን Swift makes it easier because they're making it, they're using it. በደንብ documentation አለው ብዙ ሰው በስዊፍት
and now you could use Xcode.
You can use Xcode. It's so በቃ it will make everything easier because የራሳቸው ኢኮሲስተም ውስጥ ያለ I guess
ዴቨሎፐርም ስትሆን የራሳቸው ኢኮሲስተም
እንድትሆን ነው የሚፈልጉት exactly. ግን relatively አሁን እዚህ ላይ like AI ረድቶኛል አሁን ለምሳሌ the right API I have no clue Apple ላይ develop ማድረግ
like all of them. What was the prefix they use on all of them?
G capital NG capital የሆነ ነገር capital I don't know.
I think what I heard was that from like an old Next computers like like that's what it is. እነዚህ ላይብረሪዎች መጀመሪያ የተሰሩት like when Apple like Jobs was fired from Apple and he was working in Next.
The Next box.
Because I think that's where the prefix came from. I think.
እስከዛሬ ድረስ አለ ይገርማል $1 trillion company.
But you can't change it so there's like approach
depend on this.
If you like you just implementationዎችን ነው እየቀየሩ የመጡት እንጂ እስካሁን ስሙን ከቀየሩ the people who wrote the code who depend on that library also have to change their code ማለት ነው so
Ethiopic calendar በጣም ገራሚ library ያንተ what do you call it Ethiopic
calendar was that good to use I think that's the second or third project I made when I learned Rust. I don't think I would do it the same way.
It was good.
It seems to converge.
It's fine. Learning purpose on like to Gregorian and
nice. And I like it. The crazy thing, the implementation for the first year was wrong. So library. So I like giz.org ላይ ምናምን ያለውን ከጁሊያን ዴይ ነምበር ማን ካልኩሌት አድርገህ ከዛ ወደ ኢትዮጵያ መቀየር ነው አልጎሪዝም የተጠቀምኩት እና it was wrong. I don't know what exactly was wrong about it, but like so I have this CLI app መቁጠሪያ ካልና that's what I
እሱን እኔም እጠቀማለሁ በጣም
that's what I was using to convert dates and like stuff like that. So ምንድን ነው የተፈጠረው አንድ ቀን የሆነ ክረምት ላይ I think it was last year. So I didn't መቁጠሪያ ካለ what the fuck that's not even the same month ከዛ ቼክ አልኩኝና የኢትዮጵያ ካላንደር የሚለው አፕ ላይ እዚህ ጋር ሌላ ከዛ what the heck ከዛ I fixed it ከዛ I was forgetting to add something so for the first year ያንን ላይብረሪ ተጠቀመ ሰው ካለ they were screwed ከዛ I did the update ግን ከዛ I think it's correct now ግን ከ10 ዓመት በኋላ maybe ሌላ that's what it is with date conversion.
The only thing የቸገረኝ የነበረው አንተ ላይ ያላገኘሁት it's the
next ምናምን መሆኑ ላይብረሪ ነው
ምን መሆኑ
you were saying የሆነ ጊዜ ቴሌግራም ላይ ኮሜንት አድርገህ ነበር you couldn't find the source code of the library like nested ነበረ
እሱ ነበረ I didn't look at መቁጠሪያ እና I found another way he distribute ያደረክበት ካርጎ ክሬቱን ማለት ነው distribute ያደረክበት አንዱ ሳይት ላይ go to source code ስነካው it took me to the source code ግን እንደሱ ሳይሆን እንትን ይሄ actual Giz characters like
the
numbers so it was tough so no በቃ basically ለኔ exciting ሌላውን በጠቅላላ it's just
let's go into that tangent you were asking on Twitter like saying የሆነ 100,000 ምናምን እንዴት ነው የሚቀየረው
no one knows it
I don't think do you think people wrote 100,000
የዛኔ አላውቅም ግን how would you write it የሆነ እንትን ያስፈልጋል
so የ100 ቤዝ ነው የምትጠቀመው የ1000 ቤዝ ነው ምንድን ነው like you can do both and it still makes sense I think I don't know
የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ multiplier ነው it's not like multiplier ነው ይሄኛው times ይሄንን ብለን ጭቅላት ውስጥ ስታስበው
ፓወር ኒ 100ዎቹ 1000ዎቹ እና multiplier ለምሳሌ እቺ የ2000ዋ ምናምን
multiplier ነው so የሆነ ጓደኛ አለኝ I don't know if I should mention him I'm not sure but I guess he doesn't mind ግን አክሱም ፕሪንቲንግ ፕሬስ የሚባል ፕሪንቲንግ ፕሬስ አለ እዚህ
ኦኬ
እና የጓደኛ የአባት ፕሪንቲንግ ፕሬስ ነው እና
ኦኬ
they only do ይሄ ባይብል ሪሌትድ የቸርች ግዕዝ በጣም ይችላል ልጁ እና
አክቹዋል ግዕዝ ማለት ነው
አክቹዋል ግዕዝ እና ቤተሰቡም they're very በቃ ስለዚህ ዓለም ውስጥ ስለሆነ
ቤታቸው ውስጥ በግዕዝ
ቤዚክሊ በግዕዝኛ ማውራት ላይ ቀራቸው እሱን ስጠይቀው አስረድቶኝ ምናምን ግን he said it depends on the context depend ያደርጋል አሁን ለምሳሌ ዓመተ ምህረት ስትጽፍና ኖርማል ቁጥር ስትጽፍ ይለያያል
ዓመተ ምህረት በመቶዎች መጻፍ ትችላለህ ከፈለግ ግን nobody does it
እና ትሪኪ ነው ለነሱ ራሱ ትሪኪ ነው እና I feel like there should be a committee standardization committee የግዕዝ ስታንዳርድ ስም ያወጣ we shouldn't just lose it በቃ እስከ 100,000 እነሱ ስላቆጠሩ why do we care
when do the ከአንድ ሺህ በላይ ሲንግል እንትኖች አሉ ሲንግል what they call them grapheme clusters ዩኒኮድ ለምሳሌ ለ1000 አለ ለ2000 አለ ለ3000 ምናምን ለ4000
እንትን
ሲንግል ካራክተር ሲምቦሎች ያቆሙ መቼ ነው 10000 አለ ለምሳሌ
10000 የለም I don't think so
I think 1000 ላይ ያቆማል
1000 ደግሞ አለ 1000
አለ ለ3000 አለ
I think so I think so
yeah I guess እንደዛ ከሆነ እስካለ ድረስ የ4000ን ተጠቀምና ከዛ በኋላ I guess you keep on
adding multiplier ስለሆነ at the end of the day
1000 እስኪሞላ ድረስ
1000 እስኪሞላ ድረስ አሉ
የ10ን ትጠቀማለህ ከዛ የ100ን
ትጠቀማለህ ተከተላል
ግን እኮ የ100 አሁን 100 200 300 የለም that's the weird thing እኮ ሁለት እና 100
ታደርግና 100
ሺዎች ግን ለብቻቸው አለ
አንድ ሺህ አለ
ሲንግል ለምን አንድና ከዛ የሺ ሲምቦል ለምን አለ
ይሄንን ዲስካሽን ከሱ ጋር ሳደርገው ነበር let me
if
find
you're going to use like 100 ለብቻ አንድ ቁጥር ጋር 10 ራሱ እኮ like የብቻው 10 ሆኖ ከዛ አንድ 10
ልታስብ so እንዴት ነው ይሄ ቤዚክሊ ለነሱ ዲስክራይብ ለማድረግ አንድ ሺህ
የመቶ ነው
የመቶ ነው አንድ ሺህ ነው so there's a multiplier ግን አንዳንድ ሰው ደግሞ ዲስአግሪመንት አለ እዚህ ላይ 10,000 ነው የሚልም አለ
እኔ አሁን 10,000 ነበር
ማለት 100 ማለት exactly ወይም 1,000 ነው ወይ 10,000 ነው so there's a disagreement እኔ እንትን ላይ ከሱ ጋር ነው የትኩት ላይ 1,000 ነው የሚለው ነው የወሰድኩት
ግን ያ በቃ እንትን ከምናረግ so the whole point is you would so I think it would just get too long numbers ለመጻፍ if you need to have like የ1000 ስፔሻል ሲምቦል ለ2000 ለማሳጠር እንጂ በመቶዎች የምታነትነው ከሆነ
ከዛ
way too long
I guess 100,000 wasn't a priority ግን I'll probably publish it by the time this video is up መቼ ነው የምንለቀው
we're going to choose probably maybe next week ሮብ ወይ ሐሙስ
በዛ ሪቪው አድርገውም አፕሩቭ የሚያደርጉት አይመስለኝም ግን it's open source you can just download build እና you can use it
I guess so that's what we did
that's
what we spent the last 6 months
ID for Africa ሄደን ነበር እሱንም ራሱ a conference እዛ ሄደን ነበር የሆነ ትንሽ ፉቴጅ አለን
we told it to the Mosip people
ከሞሲፕ so I guess we will do another episode ስለሱ because
it was good there were like a bunch of like like I don't know it's like it's crazy it's like notice ID for Africa notice ያረኩት የነበረው ምክንያቱም እንቲ ባዮሜትሪክ ካምፓኒዎች ነበሩ እዛ እየሸጡ ያሉት ከዛ their whole thing was the whole thing that brought them together is the Mosip standard ከዛ Mosip ደግሞ ግን it's just an open source እንትን ስለሆነ like in the company now ከዛ just somebody who's like Mosip integrated የሆነ biometric system የሰሩት had like bigger booth with like more stuff ምናምን compared to the actual like
the Mosip people
እና it was crazy like they should be like and I mean them ID for Africa የሚያዘጋጁ ሰዎች በነገራቸው they should be like conference ላይ ሲያደርጉት ወይ መጀመሪያ ስገባ የምታየው ሞሲፕን ነው ወይ ደግሞ they should be like the dead center of the conference hall because like all of them like spawn ያደረጉት በእነሱ I guess I don't know
ግን ሞሲብ ብቻ አይደለም ስታንዳርድ የሆነ ድራማ ነበረ ባይ ዘ ወይ በዚህ ሳይት
የሆኑ የእንትን ወሰን ስናፕ አደረገብን ትዝ ይላል የጋናው ነው የምኑ የራሳቸው
አላቸው እነሱ ደግሞ የራሳቸው ቶታሊ ግን ኦሲያ የሚባላል I think ኦሲያ probably open standard
ነው
for identity something የሚባላል basically የሞሲብ ኮምፒውተር ነገር ግን ሞሲብ በጣም ወደፊት ሄደዋል they have a full fledged ID system now እና
they just beef now in the industry
beef አለ ሁሌ beef አለ I remember ከየዛሬ ስንት ዓመት ይሄኛው ID for Africa ኢትዮጵያ ተካሄደው ሞሮኮ ተካሄዶ ነበር የዛኔ ራሱ some vendors had ሞሲብ compliant እንትን ባነር ነገር ነበራቸው አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ኦሲያ
ኮምፒውተር አኛ አንዱ ብቻ ነው
ከዛ ማለት
if you're a vendor you would do both
some would do both
it's like the obvious thing to do is do both why choose a winner
ምን መሰላ ኦሲያ it's like ከቬንደሮቹ ጋር የተወጣጣ ስታንዳርድ ከቬንደሮቹ የተወጣጣ ሞሲብ ደግሞ ከዩኒቨርሲቲ እና ከኢንተሌክቹዋሎች ነው
so they don't like that there was like a different ዓለም ግጭት
አንደኛው ስታንዳርድ ያው ማክሲማይዚንግ
like interoperability
አሁን
ነዛ ያን ላይ
መቻቸው ግን there's interesting ነው probably ከኔ በላይ የሚያውቅ አንድ ጌስት ብናመጣ አሪፍ ነበር እስቲ ጠይቃለሁ ስለዚህ ኢንትረስቲንግ ድራማ ነው ግን እዛ ሄደን ነበር
what else it took like አንድ ሳምንት ሙሉ ነበር ማለት ነው
አንድ ሳምንት አሪፍ ቴክኖሎጂ ጋጀቶች ነበሩ እኔ የተመቸኝ እንትን ይላል አይሪስ ቤዚክሊ ኖርማል ካሜራ ነው እዛ ጋር ነው ያለው አይኔን አንስቶ አይሪስ ዴታ አውጥቶ ኮምፔር አድርጎ
you need to do like and cyclops
እሱ በጣም ገርሞኛል that's crazy ድሮኮ ገና አይዲ እዚህ ፋይዳ ገና እንደገቡ አካባቢ አይሪስ was very በቃ እንደዚህ የሚገርም እንትን ነበር የሆነ እንደዚህ ያርገ ካሜራ
like the highest
that was the latest
like industry
standard industry leading እንትን ነው እሱ ነበር አሁን ግን just normally እንደዚህ ቁጭ ብዬ የሆነ ሰው ፎቶ አንስቶኝ አይሪስ ማች ማለት ይችላል it's crazy
I think they said like it had like 3 different cameras that took like 3 different photos for one for infrared, one for your face and አንዱ infrared ነው
infrared infrared iris
okay so two kind of cameras okay
two or three I'm not sure አንደኛው wide መሰለኝ wider ነው ቀረብ ስትል
and then it does post processing with those images to get like
to get
እና ገራሚ was cool okay I guess yeah so this is what we are up to ታለፉት 6 ወራት እና ያን ቀደም መጀመሪያ እንዳልነው ካሁን በኋላ ባይ ዊክሊ ይሆናሉ I guess like this episode took almost like ላለፉት 6 ወራት ለምን ተጠፋ ማውራ ሙሉ ኤፒሶዱን ጨርሶታል for the next week we'll either get an interview hopefully or if not there is a lot to talk about in terms of news
ላለፉት 6 ወራት ምን እንደተፈጠረ እና I have a huge rant about AI ግን ደግሞ it's not technology ምናምን አይደለም it's something else ግን
Vercel Cloudflare beef AWS outage
we should probably do
ብዙ ነገር ተፈጥሯልና ያ
ኢንተርሉድ ይኖራል
so I guess see you next time
peace
bye